Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the No Parts Alex dildo. So let's get started. So this is the No Parts Alex dildo itself. Here are some useful measurements about this dildo. The total length is 15 centimeters. It has an insertion depth of 13.5 centimeters and a 3.7 centimeter diameter. Now, this is perfect for beginners due to its size. The Alex dildo features an ergonomic design with a slight curve. It also features a realistic glans and a veined shaft, which also provides a stimulating texture. The core is sturdy yet flexible enough for comfortable anal or vaginal stimulation. The outside feels soft and smooth, and the entire dildo is made of body-safe silicone and also features a wide suction cup at the base. This makes the dildo ideal for hands-free play as well. Simply pop it down and enjoy. When using the Alex dildo, we'd recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course make sure to clean the dildo after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the No Parts Alex dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.